Hey guys, DevilsDen SportsCards here, and we're back. We're doing another 2-box break of Upper Deck Black. This will be group break number 137. As always, last team that ended is Winnipeg Jets. Okay, and this ended again, on October 2nd, 6:51 p.m. and that's Mountain Time here in Alberta. So again, group break number 137, 2 boxes of Upper Deck Black. I'll show you what time it is right now. It is 9:06 p.m. Okay, so I'll show you the boxes. This is it for black. I think I got more coming in, I'm not sure. We'll do, okay, so box number is 850-194-320-45-430. And box number 850-194-320-05-2624. Okay. Cards go in here. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. There, thick back. We start off with a illustrious rookies for the Vancouver Canucks, Ben Hutton, $2.99. Whoa. Okay. Here's your base card out of $3.49. Steven Stamkos, Tampa Bay. That was weird. How about a pro penmanship for the New York Rangers, Keith Yandel. A star trademark for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. Star coverage for the Los Angeles Kings, Anze Kopitar. Nice patch. So this is a rookie showcase relics out of 25. Oh, for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Well, that's nice. Okay, box number 2. Base card 349, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Illustrious rookies 299, Boston Bruins, Colin Miller. Redemption. Pro Penmanship Combos, number to 15. Alexander Ovechkin and John Carlson. So that would be a Washington Capital hit. And then we have a Star Trademarks for the Washington Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. And then we have a rookie coverage for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Anton Bibeau. And we finish off with, oh, nice patch. A rookie coverage premium relics, actually. Nikolai Goldobin, and it's out of 5. Nice hit. Nice patch. San Jose Sharks. There you go. Well, that's 2 pretty good boxes. Okay, well, I'll get you set up for the free envelope for the free draw. Move the camera here, just 1 second. So again, free envelope, either with a free card or a free pack of cards. As usual, do it 3 times. Top team is the winner. 1, 2, and 3. Goes to Winnipeg. Okay, and Winnipeg will be getting, this is all the numbers that's left over. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So Winnipeg gets envelope number 55. Okay, Winnipeg, envelope number 55. Put this back here. Winnipeg, number 55 envelope. And that takes care of group break number 137, 2 boxes of black. And up next we got 2 boxes of Premier, my last 2 boxes. Again, I should have some more coming in, so we'll see. But anyways, thanks a lot for joining in. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.